Hey there. Want to learn how to make one of these? Today I will be teaching you how to make a dragon puppet, how I do it. Part 1 is making the base. First, you're going to fold a paper in half, and then you're going to cut at the half line. And then you're going to take those papers and then fold them in half twice, like I'm doing here. And then you're going to take those papers and connect them using a piece similar to the one I'm using. You can use tape or hot glue. And then once you're done with that, you're going to fold half of the paper in half. You're going to cut it. And then you're going to repeat the process that you used for the top. Next, you're going to do the same thing you did to connect the top piece. And then this is how I connected them. I put a little bit of glue on the bottom, and then I stuck it to one of the pieces, and then I put glue on the other side of the folded piece and stuck it to the other one. I did the same thing for the smaller piece. And then you're going to trim it if you'd like it to be a little bit shorter. And then you're going to take the bottom and cut off a little bit more, so it looks like that. Then you're going to trace the triangles onto a piece of paper, like so. You're going to make the top one 4 fingers, and the bottom one's going to be slightly skinnier. And then you cut it out and fold on the line. Once you fold on that line, you're going to trace the shape onto the other triangle piece and fold those as well. Then you're going to glue them with hot glue, or you can tape them. And then this is what it should look like when you're finished. To connect the two pieces, you're going to take a thick piece of paper and fold it, and then it should look like this when you're done. Part 2 is the actual dragon. You're going to take a paper and fold it in half the long way. Then you're going to trace the top part of the base onto the paper as a shape, and then draw your design. To trace it, you're going to put it up to the light so you can see it, and then cut it out. Then you're going to do the same for the bottom jaw and glue it onto the base. This is what it should look like when you're finished. Then you're going to trace the dragon again, this time onto a longer paper so you can make the forehead. And you glue the sides. If it's too wide, then you can do what I did and cut a little slit and then glue it together again. And then color it. And this is the finished dragon. Part 3 is the teeth. This is optional. You're going to trace your teeth shapes, and then do that, cut them out, and glue. And that's what it looks like no teeth. That's what it looks like with teeth. Make sure they line up. If you want the teeth to be inside the mouth, you're going to make a shape like this, and then cut it out, and glue it to the top, and cut a slit so it is able to close its mouth. Then you're going to glue the top row of teeth and do the same. Part 4 is the extras. This is also optional. These are the ears and the horns, and then I will glue them onto the side of the dragon. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. And this is the completely finished dragon. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.